So hello, and we will start again today. So as usual, let's do the background first. I have an idea of doing this flex instead of our absolute, but let's do the absolute anyway. Center. We will not improve. I know we will not improve if we keep doing this 100 times. But I'm comfortable doing this more than just anything. Adjust the height. By the way, we are doing the like this CR. What the height? The width is 70. Then make it to the top. Push it from the top. Push it to the top like that. What the? This and a border. For border top and left, top left and top right. And this is not tough. Because it is not really it is not really a curve, but yeah, it's a curve. Maybe we can put pixel instead of person. Let's do it temporarily for now, like that, and reduce the width a bit, and push this to the left. You see the shadow here, the shadow there, shadow there, shadow here. More. That. I think it's. I can't really tell, but looking just like the original. What's this? Oh, I forgot this. Alright, let's just fix this. It's a shame I forgot to time. Anyway, let's learn it. Let's rename the class. Let's put a class name, not rename. Okay, a door. It is like a door in a CR, a public CR, like a mall. In a mall, it's Hanong. So let's put this name door 1. And actually, if there's door 1, there's door 2, and so on until 4. Door 1, copy the door 1, paste, rename to 2. What we will adjust here is in the sideways. Let's push this to the right. Okay. 60, 180 minus 6, 12, 18. So it moved uh, it moved 120 pixel. So the door 3 probably positive 60 because negative 60 plus positive 120 is negative positive 60. And the name and the fourth door probably positive 180. Okay. And let's do the box below or the foundation below. Box 1. There's also 4. You know what? Let's try doing flex. I'm just curious. There. Okay, flex. Then this has a 4 child. Like that. And what else? Maybe we can put them here. You can start them here. Let's say flex is equal to display. No. Flex is the name of a class, so let's make it display flex for us to be able to see. Okay, there on the top. On the top. Why isn't it showing? Okay, there's no width and height. That's why. This box probably 25. Like that. More than 25. Maybe like something like that. And let's remove this. Push this. Maybe we can put this on the center. How do you like that? A combination of flex and absolute for positioning. But the flex is not bulging, it's not moving. Maybe we got something wrong here. I don't know. This is not working. Maybe. Yeah, it's top left bottom Z. It's really not working. Z index. It's not. Why? It's not. It's not showing. Ah, it is behind these doors. Maybe we can do something about this. How? Margin top? Maybe. Something like that. Remove the background and reduce the margin. I've come this far, so it's not good to just give this up. Then gap 5 rem. Okay, let's not just use pixel to avoid confusion. Stable, triple, so. Let's see, 81. Okay, let's reduce the height, width of it. Width, 50, sure. Then how would you like that? Then let's what? Let's change the color. That's what I mean. Okay. Can't connect. Far away. There you go.